Hi, my name is Chinjame from BM123, one of the part-time student librarian from ISBN University Library. Today I will be reviewing the book on Burton's Microbiology for the Health Science, Enhanced 11th editions. So let's look at what are the contents of this book. So this book has been divided into 8 sections, which are the Introduction to Microbiology, Introduction to Microbes and Cellular Biology, Chemicals and Genetics aspect of microorganisms, Controlling the growth of microbes, Environmentals and Applied Microbiology, Microbiology within healthcare facilities, Pathogenesis and Host defense mechanism, and Major infectious disease of humans. So let's have a look at each one. There are 21 chapters in this book. So under the first sections, Introduction to Microbiology, providing an overview of microbiology and express the size of microbes by using matrix system. This foundational section sets the stage for understanding the role of microbes in health and disease. Next, section 2, Introduction to Microbes and Cellular Biology, discuss the cell structures and taxonomies of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells and further explores acellulose, prokaryotic microbes in chapter 4 and eukaryotic microbes in chapter 5. The third section, Chemicals and Genetic aspect of microorganisms, focus on the biochemical basics of life, microbes, physiology, and genetics as well. This section is essential for understanding how microorganisms function at the molecular levels. In section 4, Controlling the growth of microbes, covering 2 topics which are controlling microbes growth in vitro and inhibiting the growth of pathogens in vivo using antimicrobial agents. This section highlights sterilizations, disinfections, and antimicrobial therapies essentials in healthcare and laboratory settings. In sections 5, Environmental and Applied Microbiology, discuss microecology and microbiomes, biotechnology, and epidemiology and public health. These sessions provide insights into how microbes impact the environment and human populations. Section 6, Microbiology within healthcare facilities, focus on healthcare epidemiology and infections, preventions and control, and diagnosing infectious disease. Section 7, Pathogenesis and Host defense mechanism, will be include the pathogenesis of infectious disease, non-specific host defense mechanism, specific host defense mechanism, and introductions to immunology. Section 8, Major infectious disease of humans, providing an overview of human infectious disease, viral infections of humans, bacterial infections of humans, fungus infections of humans, parasitic infections of humans. So with 21 chapters, this book serves as a comprehensive guide to microbiology. What I really like about this ebook is its clear and comprehensive approach to microbiology, making it suitable for students in healthcare-related fields. The book simplifies complex microbiological concepts, ensuring that readers, even those with little background knowledge, can understand the essential principles. It also includes practical applications, real-world examples, and case studies, making it an engaging and useful resource for students preparing for careers in healthcare, laboratory science, or biomedical research. So one of the most insightful chapters in this book is Chapter 8, Controlling Microbial Growth in Vitro. This chapter provides a comprehensive overview of techniques used to inhibit or eliminate microbials grow in laboratories and healthcare settings. It explores physical methods such as heat sterilizations, autoclave, and radiations, alongside chemicals approach like disinfectants, antiseptics, and antibiotics. The chapter also discusses key factors influencing antimicrobial effectiveness, including concentration, exposure time, and microbial resistance mechanisms. Additionally, it highlights the ongoing challenge of antibiotic resistance and the importance of proposed antimicrobials used to prevent the emergence of resistant strains. This chapter is particularly valuable for students in biomedical science and medical laboratory science as it reinforces the critical roles of microbial control in disease prevention, patient safety, and public health. I believe this book is highly relevant not only to biomedical science students but also to those in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, and medical biotechnology. It provides foundational knowledge in microbiology that is essential for understanding infectious disease, diagnostic methods, and infection control measures in clinical and laboratory settings. I will definitely recommend this book to my colleagues and juniors as it is an excellent resource and valuable guide for building a strong understanding of microbiology and its applications in healthcare. And that's all from me for this book.